Okay, guys, I'm going to try to make this a pretty quick video. I'm going to show you a strategy that I've been using now for about 7 or 8 months on LinkedIn that's helped me really scale my brand awareness, create a lot of authority around my business and my positioning and posture with my recruiting company as well as Recruitemy. And this is something that you can start doing every week. Now, I will tell you this takes some time. It could take 4 to 6 months before you really start seeing results and traction. But again, if you're going to start a recruiting business, if you currently own a recruiting business, then you know that this is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You can't have a lottery ticket mentality of getting rich overnight. Recruiting and building a recruiting company that's successful for sustainability and longevity takes time and effort. Okay. This is not automation. This is manual work. So every Monday through Friday at 9 a.m., I make it a habit. My schedule is on Monday mornings, I'll do a video post on LinkedIn at 9 a.m. That's like a primetime slot on LinkedIn for you to get more impressions, for the algorithm to send you out to more people in your network, 9 a.m. Eastern. So I'll do a video on Monday and Wednesday. And then Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll do a text post or a survey or a poll, or I'll find an influencer's post in my network and summarize their post and repost it and tag them. That's kind of my schedule. One little trick here and tip on LinkedIn. LinkedIn will favor a poll survey or a text post with a picture versus a video post, because the video can be more complicated for its platform. There could be some bandwidth issues with their users. It's more involved to get a video out on their network, which is why the impressions are less on video post. So poll surveys are awesome. They pretty much spider those out to a ton of people, as well as text post. So I do a combination of all those. But back to it. Okay, this is a post that I did the other day. I summarized Staffing Monthly's recent edition, tagged the authors, etc., gave like my synopsis of it. And then I always put a call to action right here on all my posts. So in this instance, I put type Liga in the comments below and I'll send you a PDF for free. So this is called asset selling. I always have assets and things that I can give out to my audience on LinkedIn. I don't want to be that recruiter that hits up hiring managers and says, "Hey, I'm a recruiter. Can I help you fill your roles? Any jobs I can fill for you?" Like, they just don't want to hear that. That type of message does not elicit responses, because every recruiter does that. I think the opposite. Like, you guys, you have to like date before you get married versus just getting on your knee and proposing to somebody on day one or week one. Like, nobody wants to marry you that way. Same thing in business. You have to like take baby steps, earn their trust, earn credibility, establish loyalty, and then, you can work together. So I apply those same principles here with business. But one particular post I want to show is this one right here. Let me scroll down. And you see all the engagement that I get here, guys. This took, 4 to 6 months for me to start getting like over 30 comments on all my posts, over 200 likes, lots of shares. But I do get Liga. People write Liga, as you see here. Liga, Liga, Liga. These are all amazing leads that come in from my post. And this literally lights up my calendar every week. So it does work. But this one in particular, Benjamin Gray, awesome guy. So he wrote Liga. I told him I'd send him the PDF. I did. I can't really go into our conversation to protect his privacy here, but I will tell you that his first message to me was like, it made my day. And he was basically like, "Hey, I watch all your videos on YouTube. I'm learning so much. This is phenomenal, blah, blah, blah." And we started a dialogue pages, and we're actually going to talk next week. But this is the kind of stuff that makes me feel like the work that I do every day pays off and it's worth it in the end. So for those of you that are struggling to find ways to find clients, to find candidates, to really get things moving, use this strategy. You can use it today. There's no one stopping you from doing this. You can dominate your niche with this right here. It's free to do. It just takes discipline and focus to do it. So I hope that helps, guys.